Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to see all the liked posts on your Instagram account. This includes images, videos, and Instagram Reels. So open the Instagram app. Now tap on your Instagram profile. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Now tap on Settings. Then tap on Account. Then scroll down and find Post you've liked and tap on that. Now Instagram will populate all the photos, videos and reels you have liked in the past. You can view them in grid format or you can view them in a feed format. And there you go, that is how to see all the liked posts on your Instagram account. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.